In this video, we'll be dealing with form and media elements using HTML. And for that, first we'll be creating a page. We'll be having total of 3 pages. As you can see over here, this is my first page. It is the index page, and then there we have admissions page, and then we have the academic calendars page. So I'll be starting with the home page. For that, we'll be using the head tag to give the details of the page, that is the page 1, and after that we'll be using the center tag to give the name of the title of the page, that is Karan University, which is which is given in the h1 tag, that is the biggest tag. Then we are using the body tag, in that we are using table tag to give the width as given as 200 px for the page 1, then the index and the page 2. Now this table tag is used as an alignment for uh, these three headings. There is the home, admissions, and the academic calendar. Over here, as you can see, home, admissions, and academic calendar, they're giving the table data as home, admissions, and academic calendar, and we are placing them with the required placeholder as search. So that we can provide a search function when we click on that. And we are giving the background color as powder blue. As you can see over here, the color is powder blue, and the body style is and in body we are giving the style as font size as 50, and using image src we are giving the image over here. This is the big image, as you can see, and the link has been given over here, and we are setting the height and the width using in pixels with 600 pixels and this thing. In the table tag we are using this table row and table data. In that unordered list we are using for our vision, and we are giving in using paragraph tag we are giving the details about our vision, and we are closing the tag. Again, for our mission we are using again a paragraph tag over here, and we are closing the unordered list thing, so you can see over here. So we are using unordered list, so we have these dots over here. If it would have been the ordered list, then we would have had 1 and 2 over here instead of the dots. And after that, we are using in table data we are giving again iframe. The iframe is used when we are supposed to display the map. So iframe will be displaying the map over here, and for that we'll be again setting in src we'll be giving the link to the map, and we'll be giving a width and a height respectively. Then we'll be closing the table, and iframe is again, as I said, used for the this thing. Iframe is used for the YouTube video. As you can see over here, we have an YouTube video. So will be iframe src will be given for the width and the height. The width and the height will be set for the YouTube video over here. As you can see, this is the YouTube video, and we'll be giving the link for the YouTube video over here. We'll be closing the division tag, body tag, finally HTML tag. So this is the first page of our this thing, and now the second second page that we have over here is the admissions page. In that we'll be having the applications with the name, application number, password, and all the other details that are supposed to be filled for the for the admissions. So I will be creating using will be giving the title as page 2 in the head tag under the title tag, and in the body, and we'll be giving again Karan University, since we want Karan University for all the in both all the 3 pages. Karan University will be given as the heading, so we'll be giving Karan University over here, and then in the body style we'll be giving powdered blue, and the text will be given as green, and the table will be created using again for the home, admission, and calendar we're using this table tag. After that we're using field set for applications. In that we are using form tag that is used to create the form over here, and in the form we'll be given as action. The action means whenever we are clicking on certain things we are able to enter some values. For that we are using this action function over under the form tag, and then we'll be giving the various details as application, password, mobile data, according to the details that we are supposed to give. Like application number will be having an input type as text, password will be having input type as character, and we'll be giving the size along with the required placeholders. Since it is a password, so it can be more than 6 characters. Now the mobile similarly will be uh, giving all the values along with its type and size, required placeholders, and we'll be finishing that. And after that, we are using again table data, uh, and we'll be giving day scholar thing, and using the table data, we'll be giving all the values for day scholar and the types and all the values. Here for the department, we'll be giving select tag. So since we have to select one out of all the options, and we are giving the options over here, and then we'll be attaching in table data tag. Using table data, we'll be attaching photo size. In that, we'll be giving using input tag, and the type will be file, since we have to attach a photo over there. And again, input type will be submit. We'll be giving two values as submit and submit, because this input type means submit means when we click onto it, it will be submitted, and value equal to submit means it will be displaying as submit. As you can see over here, it is displaying as submit. So after that, we'll be closing all the tags. Then our second page is also done. The page 3, as you can see, we are supposed to display the calendar over here, academic calendar. So we'll be doing the same thing as title 3 will be given as for the title. In the head, title tag will be given page 3, since it is the page 3 of the web page. And current university is given again in powder blue, and the text is yellow. Current university is displayed in yellow. And then we in the body tag, we are using style background color. Again, we are creating a table here, and in that we are giving the same home, admissions, and academic calendar. And we are using an input type search, and that we are giving a place. The required placeholder tag is being used. So since we are using search function, since we are giving a search option over here, so that's the thing. And the body tag we will be giving embed src. Embed is used when we are supposed to give a link like this, that is the calendar. Where some embed is used to fetch value from fetch something from another place and put it into displayed into this page. So we are using embed tag to display calendar that is being placed somewhere else, and when we click onto that, we'll be getting into the required web page that we want. And this is the link for that, and we are setting a height and width for that. We're closing the body tag, and then we are done with our web page.